Hey, I am Adekanmi by name from Scratch to Crash Marketing. If you love this my video review, please help me to click the like button and share it to your follower on different social media platforms. I want to introduce you to a web hosting company called Bluehost. This is the Bluehost review. Bluehost is my recommended web hosting partner, particularly for starting up and small businesses. I just want to take you through the process of purchasing your web hosting for your new website, or you want to migrate to a new host company. Bluehost offers share hosting, cloud hosting with different types of WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. They have three pricing plan options for hosting in Bluehost. They are basic, standard, and plus package, prime package. The very best pricing plan for any hosting company, you can achieve it through the Bluehost. That means they are basic, standard, plus package. Why are you going to choose Bluehost? That is the reason of choosing Bluehost as your hosting company. Number one, there are many hosting companies available on the internet, such as GoDaddy, Bluehost, HostGator, DreamHost, and many more. None of these can match Bluehost as hosting company. That means I recommend Bluehost because I've been very satisfied with their service. Anybody with desire to create a website on their own and is willing to do most of the work themselves, we find that the hosting part is pretty simple and need very little attention. Another benefit that you can see inside Bluehost, that is another feature, it features amazing for price, offering is very, very good. That means the level of customization available for this host is well planned. User can modify their PHP, that is htaccess custom php.ini file, and add shared access SSH, which is a benefit for advanced users. You have unlimited number of domains, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited spaces. Another feature, that means the performance of this host is very, very okay. This host stands on top of other. A test show an average 99.5% for 9 months. That is Bluehost standard, and the hosting company is getting better with their service. The verdict, however, one downside is not enough to contend with host's incredible feature and sweet price. This service has received mostly good reviews from users all over the world. Some which use Bluehost to maintain quiet, popular site. The host is suitable for both casual and professional site administrators. It is especially useful to those who want a cheap host and short contract period. That means the factor to consider for choosing a good hosting company. Number one, they must have a proven track record. Number two, they must have a reliable fast server. Number three, they must be flexibility and unlimited domain hosting, Twitter mass following. How your post rank first or read it. Bluehost supports host help. It's very, very superb. That means they have a good customer care. That means they have 24/7 free service. Its online help was is big, very, very simple, like any other service. It does not have, it has an online chat room, an email service, and fast article to solve any problem. In conclusion, is keep track of your union dates and information, especially the name and the contact information of your register. Bluehost is the best opening platform for this year 2020. Is the right web host for you and your website. This review will help you to decide if you are looking for a web hosting for a WordPress site, then Bluehost could be perfect for you. Bluehost will be perfect for you. Who can benefit from this offer? So I recommend this product to people having this type of work: digital product marketer, e-com store owner, physical product vendor, brick and mortar business, local business owner, small business owner, digital agency owner, internet marketing affiliate, freelancer. If you love this my product review, please just click the like button and share it. And we love to continue to be seeing you on this our YouTube platform. Thank you for watching.